This is how hell used to look like. Thousands of tons of bird shit and other shit. But then, after some days of cleaning, and cleaning, we now got a hell to skate in. We're doing some new updates here in hell or on hell. This slappy we have made a bit taller, so we put some concrete under here and raised it a bit, so now it's a decent height. We put this slappy up on this manual pad, so, and here we will have a new small manual pad with slappy edge. So in the bottom we put some gravel, and then we will fill this up with concrete, and we're thinking we will put these granite bits in the slappy edge. Now you slide on granite instead of sliding on this concrete. And here we're updating this spine rail. So this was a bit steep, so we made it a bit not so steep, so you can ride up and grind. And also we will have like a box here, so you can grind on the outside, and also if you do 50s and stuff, you get support on the inside. And we will use these granite blocks as the curb on the outside.
This is Jeff's design. Here you have concrete curb and granite on the inside. So, a hybrid slapper.
For best slide and still nice slappy. Okay, Ville?
Ja.
You're gonna try the new obstacle?
Yes.
Yes. Ah! Yeah. First review, how does it feel?
Good. What do you have for the YouTubers?
I don't know, maybe I will try the grind side of the thing. See how it grinds.
Glider alltså.
It's the smallest quarter pipe I have ever seen. Have you seen a smaller quarter pipe?
My question is it a quarter pipe?
Putting some clear varnish. I mean lacquer. And a layer of my homemade wax. One layer of wax, we'll see how it will slide. Time for the no slides. Seems to slide pretty good. I held back a bit the first try, but yeah, let's go full speed and see how it works. So we put this curb over this manual pad, but we just need to fix the connections. So I will put some anchor resin and some small concrete here to connect them. It's actually not very scary. Remember to like and subscribe.
Oh, is it a QR code?
Yeah.
Where
if you stop filming, you can try it.
you can hit pause and try it.
Yeah.
But where does it lead?
It leads to my channel.
God,
This is brilliant.
15 subscribers.
Yeah. 354 now.
Nice.
And counting down or up, depending on my content.